how to transfer funds from Bitget to Binance on PC. Now in this case, we need to select the coin that we have funds on our Bitget account. Now first of all, head over to wallet and click on, now that then select the coin or the token that you have funds on, for example the Ethereum. After that, click on chain and select the network as the Ethereum. And now to get the withdrawal address of the Ethereum, you can go to Binance account and head over to wallet and click on, and now that click on deposit, and now click on deposit crypto. And now in the search for the Ethereum. Now after you find it, just click on it. Now select the network as the Ethereum as you selected in the Bitget. After that, click on OK, and now you can copy the withdrawal address. Now go back to Bitget and you can paste it here. After that, click on next. And as you can see the amount that you want to transfer. And after that, click on withdraw. In about a few seconds to a few minutes, you will be able to receive the funds from Bitget to Binance. So this is how to transfer funds from Bitget to Binance on PC. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.